Hey gang, Happy New Year. I hope your 2026 is off to a good, promising start so far. If not, let's see what we can do about it. All right. I want to show you a quilt that I'm working on right now because it's beautiful. I got it from my aunt's house. I'll put up a picture so you can just enjoy looking at the details. It is so lovely. Once we discovered this quilt, I started looking in the family photos and I found a picture of this exact quilt on my great grandma's sunroom on a rattan settee, just folded up nice and neat. But what happened over the course of time between when that photo was taken and when my aunt got a hold of it, this quilt got old, ratty, and tattered. And so my aunt decided the best use of this quilt was turn it into teddy bears. I'm still kind of living with that decision right now. But when we were visiting, she showed me this quilt that looked like a giant mouse and taking nibbles out of it. And I said, well, what if I were to square up the rest of it for you so you could have it as a lap quilt? Look, here's what I did. See, I added that binding right there. So she can have this piece as a lap quilt. I have all the leftover funky scraps that who knows what I'm gonna do with, but I'm excited to play around with them. But it occurred to me that this is something that I'm so excited to think about with folks on the Nook, because this month we're talking about this exactly. We're calling the theme this month of Wonder Year, Drawing from the Well. And we're doing more than just like cataloging our creative memories and histories and influences. We're putting them all out on the table and seeing what kind of constellations, what kind of points we can connect, what meaning we can derive from it. How have this collection of specific memories and people and influences shaped who we are, right? Like, yes, I inherited a quilt. What else did I inherit? Maybe an eye for color, maybe a disposition for wanting to bring comfort and beauty to people, maybe a certain creative confidence that like what I want to bring into the world, I can do because look what's been done, you know? All of these things add up to make us who we are, and that's what we're talking about in Wonder Year. If that sounds like something you want to explore with us, I hope you join us. There are two free events coming up in January, the 9th and the 28th, I think. Check the dates below just to make sure. But with these free events we call them WonderCore, you won't know the prompt ahead of time. You'll just log into the Zoom call in good faith. I'll give you the prompt. You have 30 minutes to work. And then you share out in small groups, like whatever insights came up for you during that time. So yeah, more information below. Hope to see you there. Either way, hope you're up to something good. Hope you're sewing something good. And I hope to see you soon one way or another.